welcome to a new video. So this video is a quick demo of how to use AltTextGeneratorAI WordPress plugin so that you can start generating alt text automatically for your images if you have like a WordPress site. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is go to add new plugin, and here you're gonna type AltTextGeneratorAI, and this is the one that we want to install. So you can install it. Once you install it, you can activate it. Alright, so once you have activated the plugin, you'll see on your sidebar that you have the AltTextGeneratorAI. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to get your API key. So you can go to AltTextGeneratorAI. So I'm going to click here, and that's going to take me to the AltTextGeneratorAI website. And you'll go to pricing, and here you can buy one of the plans. And once you bought one of these plans, you can go to dashboard, and you'll see your API key there. So I'm just going to show the API key. I'm gonna copy this, and now I'm gonna go back to the website here, and here I'm just gonna paste the API key. And you can also download the plugin from here in a zip file, so you can maybe just come here and install it manually if you wanted to. So the website domain, so you'll just grab your website domain. In this case, mine is FSA and all of this. Let me delete this. So once I have it like that, then I'll verify it. And once you verify it, you'll see the number of credits that you have. In this case, I have 20 credits. So if you go to media, you can start going and adding alt text automatically by clicking on each individual image, and you'll see that there is a new button here. You won't be able to see there. So, and you'll see that there is a new button here which says generate alt text. I already have the alt text for this one, so we'll just look for an image that doesn't have alt text. Let's see, let's try this one. We'll click where it says generate alt text. We'll just give it a second, and you'll see that the alt text will be populated here. So event promotion, and then you have a description of the image. So if we try like a different one, that's just like a logo, but let's see if there's a new one here. So let's try this one, and let's click where it says generate alt text, and you'll see that we have our alt text here generated. And it's pretty good alt text, which will help you to rank faster in Google and improve your SEO. You can also add images in bulk, and it will add alt text to all the images. So I'm just gonna grab some images from here. I'll grab these two, and then I'll drop them. And if you go to the image when it's uploaded, you'll see that the alt text was added automatically. And now we're waiting for the second image, and this should also have the alt text added automatically. So you can drop as many images as you want, and the plugin will take care of adding the alt text to each individual image. So see, we have our alt text here, and it's a very good alt text. So that's it for this video. So the name of the plugin, once again, it's AltTextGeneratorAI, and it's super simple to use, and it's super simple to add alt text to your images automatically using AI in bulk or individually. So I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.